My name is France. I really didn't know where to start. So the design team said, go through the store and pick a piece that you love.
First we asked France how she used her space, and then we asked her how she wanted to use the space.
And the energy here with everybody is fantastic. I want to have a great big party, invite everybody from the store.
Hi, my name is Nicole. I've worked at IKEA for 16 years. I'm a single mom, I have 4 kids, so there's like toys everywhere.
Ah, j'ai adoré travailler sur le projet. Nicole, c'est une perle, donc elle méritait vraiment de gagner.
It's relaxing, it's cozy, it's modern. Reading a book or just seeing a good movie and watching everybody fall asleep in my arms. Oh my God, this is overwhelming right now.
I am Rasmus. I work at IKEA Etobicoke. Spent all my savings on immigrating, so when we started building our first home together here, it was all furniture that we'd got from friends, from family, from the side of the street, whatever we could. So it's the two of us and then our 4 geriatric cats.
He has a lot of books, so all that obviously needed some space, so we included the bookcases.
It's amazing having the people that you walk around every day come in and put their touch on your life.
I couldn't be more proud of the space that I get to live in.
Hey IKEA Canada, my name is Ella Tretiak and I live in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia. I'm 27 years old and I've worked at IKEA Coquitlam for just over 10 years now.
My favorite part of the makeover process was deciding with Brianne on what products to pick.
It's like a puzzle. How can I make this the best possible space for them? And maybe something that they wouldn't have imagined.
Okay, go!
It was pretty amazing to watch their hard work and passion and just really see their vision come to life. It was very inspiring.